This, in the past, she might have stood out there and waited, you know? But that's a good idea for you to take Jack. Come on, Jack, man. Do this RFP thing. Good. Yay, come on, Jack, go.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Good so far. Do your frickin' weaves, buddy. Did he get it?